I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my life.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hi fam, how's it going? So with this video, I am going to be continuing my makeup basics series. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour, or more specifically, how I contour my face, because how you contour does differ based off of your face shape. So this is just the way I contour, and I can always do another video on how the different face shapes will go about contouring. If you guys are interested, just leave a comment down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. Also, I want to tell you guys, please make sure you go check out my Instagram as well as my Facebook page, because I do post content on those pages as well that you won't see on YouTube. So make sure you go check those out. It's going to be in my description box and on screen. So feel free to follow me on Instagram and to follow my Facebook page. I'm going to start off with priming my face. So as always, I've been using the Marshmellow Ribbon Primer from NYX lately. So I'm just going to use that. So with this, I normally use about like 3 pumps, because like I go like part by part. And with this primer, if you guys are interested, I definitely use it sparingly, because if you use too much, it gives your face like a white cast to it, which that doesn't look good. And even though you're gonna put makeup on top of it, your makeup also comes off having like a cast to it. So just use it sparingly if you were to get this and use it. So since this video is mainly about contouring, I'm going to do my eye makeup last. So I'm going to do my face makeup first using my I Am Magic foundation from Juvia's place. So I'm just putting on the back of my hand, and then I am going to start applying from the center of my face outwards. So since it's been a while since using this foundation, I actually do like the foundation, but I think, in my opinion, I like the Fenty Beauty foundation better. Granted, I don't believe the Fenty Beauty foundation I use, the Pro Filter Concealer, Pro Filter foundation, it's not full coverage, it's medium coverage. But I feel because it's not full coverage, it doesn't cause my skin to produce as much oils as this foundation does, like over the term of me wearing it like throughout the day. But I still think it is a good foundation and I would buy it again. But if y'all been watching my channel, my absolute favorite is Lancome, which, you know what, next time I get foundation, I'm going to get Lancome, because I always talk about it, but I haven't used it on this channel. But I've used it in the past, but I've been being very cheap lately, because Lancome is not cheap. It's a very expensive foundation. So I just want to make sure I am blending this out fully. Okay, and now for contouring my face, I use concealers. I use these two. I use the Pro Filter concealer from Morphe. Well, that was so wrong. This is the Morphe Filter Effect concealer, and this is in the shade Rich 32 Warm. And then I also use the Sephora concealer, and this is number 20 Devil's Food. So I like to go for more of a calm contour. I don't like to do a lot with my contour, so I just go under my eyes. Like if I want it to be more, I can bring this down a little bit, but I've lately just been doing like immediately under my eyes and just like bringing it out to the side, and then my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I don't always do my chin, but I do my chin. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm going to put in like both together so you guys can see like where, you know, you would apply it. And then alongside my nose with the Sephora one now. Okay. I don't like to put a lot because this contour color, like it's very dark. And then my forehead. So my forehead like is also another area I don't always do unless I'm doing like a full contour. I don't do my jawline because I don't really feel like I need to contour my jawline because I like the way it looks already. If you want to, you would just apply like right here along your jaw. And now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend that all out, starting where I put the lighter color. And as I always say, you don't want to use like a rubbing motion. You want to use a dabbing motion when you're blending out your concealer, because it causes it to not move as much and to really like blend in to your skin better and give you more of a like flawless finish. So as you can see, like where I am blending out the concealer right now, it's not moving much from that one area, versus if I were to rub this, the product will be moving a lot on my face. I need to get a smaller beauty blender because every time I'm trying to do like that inner corner, I'm like using the very tip because this is kind of a big beauty blender. So like if you run into that issue, if you're using a beauty blender, you can use like the very tip, or you can just get a smaller one that can fit into that space a lot better. I'm gonna do the nose contour now. like finish that off. So once again, dabbing, like real, like just dabbing, pressing it in. And with contour, I can say it's definitely intimidating when you first start out, because I remember the first time I ever really tried contour on my face, it came out looking so harsh, so horrible, and so much darker, because I put on a lot of concealer, like so much of the darker concealer, and I didn't blend it out nicely, and it just looked like I had this one line of a tan on my face. And I was like, and I went out with it on, and I thought it looked fine, but later on, like after looking at some pictures I'd taken there, I was like, yeah, no, this is not it. So I like started watching other people's videos, seeing, you know, like how they contour and like what exactly I was supposed to do. But it's intimidating when you don't know, like, you know, like when you actually look up what you're doing and really take time to really think about it, it makes sense. Like, you don't want to put on a lot. You want to do enough that it draws attention to where you want it, but you don't want to be doing like overkill. Like right now I have like a pimple like right here, and it hurts every time like I go over it. I'm like, ow, that hurts. But blending this out is definitely very important. Like, you don't want to like leave it looking anyway, because that's usually going to be your issue. If you leave it unblended, or if it's not blended as smoothly, it's going to look very harsh and like obvious that like this person contoured their face. Like, you want it to look natural, or as natural as possible, because obviously like you can tell when someone's wearing makeup sometimes, like not all the times, and when you can tell, that means they did a great job of applying the makeup, because you're not able to tell that that's not their true skin, like, you know. So blending it out and taking your time with it, not trying to rush, because if you're doing a rush job, it's going to be obvious that you rush the process. And with that being said, I am a little unsatisfied with this nose contour, so we're going to blend this out a little better. So this is like the contour done. Like, you can definitely see where I'm trying to draw more light into my face and create, you know, those highlight spots like under my eyes, the very like bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, versus the areas that I put the darker color where we want to create more shadows, you know. So that's what it's supposed to look like, and this is how it's supposed to be done. I myself am still learning. How to perfect doing my makeup. So like, while I'm teaching you guys, I'm also growing myself, and we can grow together. So the more I know and learn, I'm going to share with you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying this journey with me so far. So that's really it for contouring. I'm going to do my eye makeup and stuff and come back on here so you guys can see the full look. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is the final look. I'm not in love with how my eyeliner came out just because I've been trying out the NYX colored eyeliner. And I haven't been loving the formula. Like, if you saw my last video, I used the yellow one and I did not like the formula. And this time around, it's not only the formula that seems bad, it's just like the way it came out. It came out like kind of patchy, but I wanted to hop on here and show you guys still, just to be real, and just like, you know, makeup doesn't always come out perfect. You run into products that you do not like while you're doing a look, and then you have to change it. But I did continue. I am going to change this like later, but I just wanted you guys to see it before I do in fact change it. I'm not gonna go out my house with patchy eyeliner. It's just not gonna happen. But yeah, plus, to be honest, I wasn't doing my makeup to go out. I was doing my makeup for the video for you guys to see. But I do like the combo of the white eyeliner and the blue eyeshadow. I think it came out really cute, and it would look better if it wasn't for the fact that the eyeliner to me is patchy. But this is the final look. I love how my face makeup looks like, which was the whole point of this video, was to show you how to properly contour. I also added some blush and highlight to my face. That was it in terms of face makeup. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comment below. And if you know any good colored eyeliner, any brands that sell good ones, please let me know, because I do want to start incorporating colored liner into more of my looks. But I need to find a better brand because NYX is not cutting it. And I usually love their products because I like their eyebrow pencils. I like their lip glosses. Like, I've used their contour stick, which is also really good. But for some reason, this colored liner, it's just not doing it for me. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a nice comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.